Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara. واتقوا يوما ترجعون فيه إلى الله ثم توفى كل نفس ما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون. Translation: and be fearful of the day when you will be brought back to Allah. Then every soul will be paid back in full what it had earned, and they shall not be treated unjustly. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that fear that day when you will be presented in front of Allah and all of your action, including good actions or bad actions, will be judged by Allah, and everyone will be given absolutely fair treatment and fair judgment. No one will have less rewards than the good deeds, and no one will get more punishment than the bad deeds. It is important to remember that the ayah we studied today, ayah number 281 of Surah Al-Baqara, is the last ayah that was revealed on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Prophet Muhammad commanded the Sahaba to keep this ayah in between the ayah of interest and the ayah of loan, which we will inshallah study tomorrow. Now, after Allah gave the commandments that interest is forbidden, right after that, keeping this ayah means that the believers should be able to leave the money of interest, because whenever they will have the fear of Allah and they will have a belief that they will be facing Allah and their actions will be judged very fairly at that time, so it will be easy for them to leave the money of interest and leave all those bad things, bad habits and bad actions that may make Allah unhappy. Also, it will become easy for them only to depend on the halal provision. And this is the style of Quran, that Quran does not only give the commandments and the law, but also at the same time Quran gives the teaching of taqwa, which is living your life in this world, saving yourself from all kinds of sin. And also Quran gives the reminder of hereafter, where everyone will be facing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala individually. The system of economics in Islam is based on the purity of heart and the spirituality. It is not based on the materialism, and that is the reason that we see that in the Western culture, whenever there is a flaw in the law, everyone try to take advantage of that flaw. However, if someone believes in Allah and the powers of Allah, he would certainly know that there is no way that there is any flaw in the law of Allah, because Allah is the creator and nobody can dodge the creator. So if we don't correct our actions today, if we don't save ourselves from interest today, we will be faced with lots of humiliation and regrets in the day of judgment, when we will be facing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let us pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran, and oh Allah, help us do all the good deeds and save us from all the evil deeds, so that in the day of judgment we will not have any fear, or we will not have any grief of the past. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.